Selina. Senator Selina. You call yourself distinguished senator of the Federal Republic. And you could not distinguish yourself with the ordinary people. You brought all these boys that are in the House of Assembly and still you could not do anything. And you failed. You allowed them to scatter you. You allowed them to destroy you. You allowed them to win you, even in your own local government. How much were you giving?
Someone just 100 million.
100 million? He said he just 100 million. See as he talk like 100 million is not money. You see why you failed.
Someone, this is not my fault. Huh? Singing pine on the wobo and kick baby why I fake game me Jenny. I cannot be going to come and give myself. Only the mention of your name, Perebai. All of them seem wrong. They were even giving some of the people that come to vote 5,000. Nobody wants to come and vote for you. Instead, they just take the 2,000 naira and be voting for other people. It's not be my fault, still man. Just your name alone, everybody's done they wrong.
Huh? Now you don't speak Yoruba. When you make all the promises, you don't speak Yoruba. You came as a typical Igbo woman. And you are failed. And you, Lillian, you said you are a daughter of the soil. That you have been going first time, you have been going second time. And you have been delivering. That your people are with you. How come your people have deserted you? Not even your own local government. You could not deliver. Come to talk of the 2 local government that you are representing. You failed. How much were you giving?
Chairman, 100 million.
You see? And you collect money, you cannot work. You just want to chop and cannot work. You failed. You failed. How could you? You said you are a daughter of the soil. You say your people respect you. Your people follow you like Mumu. How come nobody followed you like Mumu?
Chairman, good to you. I tried my best, but it didn't work out. I brought one fault. It is not my fault at all. We all tried as a people, but it didn't work out. He will give that job back.
And you, distinguished Excellency, Excellency, you left your Oka to come and stay with us. You made promises. You made demand. We fulfilled your demand. Every time you run into America, you don't know this is politics. You have to stay close to the people. Now your people deserted you. Not even your polling booth. Your polling booth! You failed!
Chairman, calm down. Listen to what Lillian is saying. You just said it. Village people, they showed me. They are not being called village people for no reason. I tried. Chairman, let me even shock you. How can you call somebody a sane human being and give that person 5,000 to vote for you? And that person will end up voting for somebody who gave them 2,000. Chairman, the villager Dunjo, they showed me. I'm telling you the truth. But you're gonna calm down.
You all are failures. You failed. You are all failures. You failed. This is my last opportunity to just make a serious impact in this, politics. You have just disappointed me. You have failed.
Sioma, everybody fails. Everybody see faith. But Lillian won't face. And once Excellency is face. And me no more face. You are a failure. You face well. Your people say they know you. Say they come for you. You're here shouting people who fake get what Jenny and you fake power. Say you want to kiss somebody. You just you
Chairman, it is even being rumored that you even failed in your own word.
Oh, exactly.
So if it is about failing, we all failed, Chairman.
Buni, we know cause.
The important.
I told all of you. This is the reason we gave you all the money. If I'm black, you make me look white. If I'm dirty, you make me look clean. Money speaketh. That is what we're talking about. And you're here trying to tell me, in fact, all of you will return the money.
Chairman, there's no money.
You see the money?
You
You must return the money. And no stories must be told.
You don't return the money. Well, you yourself, you are going to return the money because you yourself, you hit the money. You hit money. It's the people's money that you hit.
I'm talking about my money.
We are talking about the people's money.
I say you must return the money. See, this was an opportunity for me to get back into politics and make an impact, but you failed. You failed.
Ẹ fẹ́ lé ọkọ. Ìwọ náà fail. Ìwọ tún ti gan bó ṣe ṣubú. The way you fail, you jump from somewhere.